One of the myths in dentistry is that if you come in with a crooked or a rotated tooth or a misaligned tooth, that your only option is braces or some sort of orthodontics. And even though braces and orthodontics is really maybe a very good option and possibly should be the option you consider, there is another option for you, and I call that restorative orthodontics. And basically what that is, that if you have a tooth that's slightly rotated, you can correct that rotation by either veneering that tooth or bonding that tooth or crowning that tooth. What you do is you basically shape that tooth down so it gets proper alignment, and then you either place a restoration of some form or fashion over to correct the tooth orthodontically. And if a person comes in with a number of teeth that are misaligned, and also the teeth that have some breakdown or large fillings or whatever in teeth, rather than have them go through a whole series of braces for 1 or 2 years and making that investment, and then secondly, then having most or all their front teeth restored with some sort of crowns or veneers, they can save a lot of time and even investment, and getting all those things done through restorative orthodontics and through basically a nice cosmetic, either veneers or crowns to correct that. The thing that also separates us from regular, first of all, restorative orthodontics is big. You need to understand the full concept how to get a beautiful result. And one of the big concepts about it is that you want to make sure that you take the tissue again into concern. And because where the tooth is pushed out or rotated around, the tissue follows it. And what the laser again brings to the table, through laser-assisted restorative orthodontics, you want to call it, we can correct all that tissue disharmony, the tissue malformation. We can correct all that with a laser so that when your final result, when you smile and you show a nice smile, that you can't tell that the tissue has been altered to where it looks much more natural. You get a beautiful emergence of the restoration from the properly corrected gum height and gum to contour, and that's very important again, just again to set apart the difference between having a laser and not having a laser, and what you can do to make restorative orthodontics even look more beautiful. If you like this information, and if you're interested and would like to learn more about our services and what we have to offer, and even more about our office, you should really visit us on www.drheringer.com.